all right, YouTubes. We're gonna head over to this job. Customer called me and said their walk-in box went down last Friday. Today's Thursday, so it's almost been 7 days. The other company told them that the evaporator has a leak too large to fix. They need to replace the coil, and they never got back to the customer. So he's begging me to go out there and take a look at this and see if he can get his walk-in cooler going. So I thought I'd bring you guys along. It's a box I put the coil in. If you guys remember the video where it had so much UV dye, I was all like, it was like predator bleeding on the roof. Well, it's that unit, and they're saying the leak in the coil's too big. I don't know, maybe they ice picked it or what happened, but let's get out here and take a look and see if we can come up with something. And I'll bring you guys along for the ride. I can hear it leaking. Let's get some soap bubbles on it. 3 years old, terrible. That's the only leak I found on the whole coil, and I think I can fix that. That's it. That's the only one I can see. So I think I can fix it. All right, it's time for some Super Tech shiz. Let's do it. I got a good flow on there. I think we got it. No more leaky. All right, we gotta go upstairs, change the dryer, and then pull a big old vacuum and the whole deal. All right, I need to change this dryer out, clean this coil, clean the downstairs coil now that we got it fixed, and then pull a monster vacuum. We'll get started on that right here. Especially. All right, whether it's Super Tech or Super Hack, the hvac battery vacuum pump sure comes in handy, let me tell you. And I got 2 fully charged up batteries I'm ready to rip. I'm gonna get my pump sprayer and wash this coil out. Now that I've got the I've had a bunch of cleaner on it, I'm gonna get my pump sprayer and wash it out real good. I also cleaned the downstairs coil, and then we should be able to get these guys back online. See how we make out here. It's one dirty coil too. Oosh, crusty. See? These are all, repair on break, no maintenance action. Yeah, that evap coil did. It sprung a leak in 3 years. 2018 we put it in. You guys probably seen the video. Maybe I could share that video in the description. You could go back and watch me do the coil install. We had some funny comments on that one. Let me pump her up. All right, so the box, we started it up with 71 degrees. It's probably close to 80 degrees outside ambient. Using the water, that I rinsed the coil off with to keep the head pressure down, to take the load off the box while we're running. And that'll help me catch up on my temp for charging her up. She's still flashing. But I don't want to add a bunch of gas to it just yet. These little systems won't hold much charge. Maybe 2 to 3 pounds of gas. that's it. And pressures are looking good. That's 24 degree evaporator. And what are we at? Yeah, like 90 condensing because I got the coil wet with the, with my sprayer over there. I'm taking the load off as I go, and then I'll keep getting it wet to help the box catch up. So that's what I'm doing here. Super Tech or hack? You decide. Leave me a comment below. Let's chat about it. And I'll leave a link to the video where I put that coil in 2018, and it's the one where we had the Predator blood. You know, this thing's so full of UV dye from whoever worked on it before, and it still is. It's still Predator. The Predator's revenge. Dude, that coil only made it 3 years till it sprung a leak. Freaking Boney Maroney. All right, we got the roof all done, back together. Look, there's your longboard up on the roof here. If you were looking for your longboard, there it is. That's some funny stuff. I'm gonna get off here. We'll go down to the bottom and then put that VAP coil back together. Heading in the right direction. It was 46 till I opened the door. Okay. All right, well, that one was either Super Tech or hack. You can decide. But that guy's walk-in box has been down since last Friday. Today's Thursday. So almost 7 days, no walk-in cooler. And supposedly the other company was supposed to get him a quote, or I don't even think he needed a quote. He was going to let him change out the evap coil. I got it patched up for now. I did tell him let's get a game plan together to replace the rooftop unit and the evaporator coil. And we plan it out. We could probably get a coated coil from a different brand. That's what I'm hoping for. And see if it'll last longer than 3 years. You know, they're putting barbecue sauce in there and all kinds of rubs and stuff, and I think it eats the coils up pretty quick. But we'll see how that goes. So yeah, leave me a comment below. Let me know if that was Super Tech or hack-a-lacka. All right, hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down button. Please, if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications when videos come up. All right, YouTubes. Oh, here we go, into the traffic. So we're gonna go measure up. There's a walk-in box my customer got installed, but the people that put the box in are not gonna install the condensing unit or the evaporator coil. So she'd asked me to do it. So I'll take you guys out here and we'll measure it up, and we got to order materials and figure out where we're going to run our line set and all that fun stuff. She does have an electrician and a plumber that's working on her project, so I won't have to take care of those parts. But we'll see if we could, I don't know how big the box is or the coil or anything. I imagine it's pretty good size. And so let's get out there and take a look and see what we're getting into. All right, that's how you do it when your box isn't ready. Portable cooling. And oh yeah, wow, that's a big walk-in box. Big drink lineup. Oh, it looks like the condensing unit's gonna sit right here. Look, they made a little skid for it. That's a good sized box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 doors. 2 evaporator coils right here. Where is the condensing unit at? Maybe right here. All right, so I'm gonna need the high lift. So it looks like I'm gonna go coil and then coil. And I wanna find the condensing unit. So yeah, I'll pipe it where it comes down this way. And that coil will go up into the suction line and then out. All right, each coil has its own TXV 448 and its own solenoid. I gotta call for an ice maker at the hotel here. Look at the pool. Friggin' gnarly. That one's no good for skateboarding. It's all wrong. All right, let's see what we're getting into here. H.V.A.C. See what it says. Come on, Tippy. Yeah, let's see. See what we're getting into here. Can't make this stuff up. You just can't make it up. I'm serious. There's no water pump action going. This one gets better and better. Watch this. So we got the plug filter. And then there was no water in there. I see angle stop. We got the angle stop right there. Look at the hose. Broken off. That's epic. I gotta get my butt back here and take a look at this. Hook up some plumbing. Oh, NorCal's been installing a ton of ice makers. Look what I have. I got a hose, 6-footer. Let's do it. All right, we're back to making ice. Also, I had the drain down here plugged. Ooh, we're going into a harvest right now. So I just went ahead and I'm chucking the pre-filter. It's shot. And we bypassed that crappy water filter and we just went straight into the angle stop to get her going. This was pluggered. Had to get that drain undone. This is no maintenance whatsoever. The usual out here. All right, this one's gonna get ready to drop some ice. Comes, hopefully. Waiting for it. Anybody home? Check the bridge thickness. Hopefully it's good. We'll find out here when it drops. Hear the air pump going, so it should be close. It lives.